In this video, we visit the stunning Grand Tetons, but our visit gets cut short, so we head down to Craters of the Moon National Monument.
Rolling down the highway, sun setting low. Got the rig packed up, and we're ready to go. The open road's calling, can't let it wait. Adventure's in our blood and we won't be late. McCards on the move, we are coming your way.
All right, guys, I am super excited. This whole trip, the place that I've been looking forward to the most is here. This is where I wanted to come to. The Grand Tetons. We are at the glacier overlook.
You probably can't see the glacier because the clouds are...
It is a bit cloudy, so you can't quite see the tops, but this place is amazing. Now, I'm hoping that we can rectify an issue. I booked the campground that's right on the lake where you can see all of this, but apparently when I booked it, I booked the wrong one. So we're going to go there and see if we can get it switched up, but if not, we'll be right down the road and we'll still be able to enjoy it.
Yep, absolutely. I can't get over the colors.
Oh yeah, we're here in the fall, so you get all the fall colors from the trees and the mountains. It's amazing. Well, this is where we wanted to camp. The campground that's right next to this beach. And that's where I thought I booked it at, but it didn't work out that way. And I can't even cancel the other one and move here because there's no sites left here. But it is a public park, so I'll get to come and hang out and check it out. And we're only here a couple of days anyway.
Yep.
But pretty amazing view here, especially with the fall colors.
So awesome.
So we're leaving Grand Teton National Park today. It has rained the entire time we've been here, so we haven't got to show you guys a whole lot. But the good thing is, it has, while it's raining down here, it snowed a little bit up on the mountain, and we got a little sun out right now, so I can show you guys the view today. Check it out. Isn't that beautiful? Definitely see a little bit more snow up there than there was. From here, we are heading over to Crater of the Moon National Park. So we'll probably tie these two locations together since I didn't get much while we were here. And we'll see you over there. Well, we made it to the Crater of the Moon, whatever, National State Monument, whatever it is, park. What is it?
Craters of the Moon National Monument.
National Monument. Oh,
and Preserve.
I thought it was a park. Anyway, it is really cool looking.
Yep.
There's all this lava everywhere you look, lava rock. Just lava rock everywhere. It's small. We got a first come, first serve campsite right in the park, which is really neat. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And we're probably going to do some hiking around. Right now we're over here at the first little hike. I'll show you. Get this going up the hill. And then there's a trail going out and around. And we're going to explore, spend a couple of days here. I think who knows what we're going to get into, but it's pretty neat.
Yeah, there's no telling with us.
So right down there, that whole area is the campground. Just stuck up in the rocks and stuff all over it. And then right behind it, here is one of the walkways. We can walk around and check it out. And then the park continues for a few miles out that direction and out that direction. And from this angle, you can see our camper is right there. So I just showed y'all the view from up above. This is down on the boardwalk. Pretty cool. It's an all steel platform that they've put some pavement over the top of that. Walking you through the lava here.
It reminds me of like a mountain coaster or something.
Kind of a little bit the way it twists and turns.
Yeah.
Pretty wild how this lava just pushed up and moved around, float all over the place. Then you've got those spirals coming up. This section here, like the lava was reaching for the sky.
It's like Hawaii, but without the beaches, kind of.
Right?
All the lava everywhere.
And then you got a bonsai tree over there.
Well, Daniel-san was not very good at trimming it.
Another little loop here called the Devil's Orchard. It's a paved trail. Goes a half mile. And lots more trees in this section. You have quite a few lava formations too. The neat thing here is it's educational. As you walk around it, there's signs like this all over the place giving you information. It is pretty impressive that this much vegetation can grow up out of lava rock.
I'm telling you, if I wasn't here looking at it, I wouldn't believe it. Oh, and I want to...
It's just really different than most of the parks you go to. Just being able to walk amongst all this lava flow, something else. All right, this is a really long trail here. It's 274 feet, but it takes you to the top of this little lava spout right here. And once we get up there, there's going to be a fantastic view. You guys are going to see it with me. I've not seen what's in here yet. Pretty neat. I thought it went to the edge for the view, but instead it's showing you the cave.
Wow.
It'd be so cool to rappel down in there. And I bet at night, if you're here at the right time, I bet there's a bunch of bats that fly out.
Oh, heck yeah.
You up here, you can see the lava. Just as far as you can see, it's lava. I think they said it goes for 3 miles.
From the North Crater to the first place where we were walking around the boardwalk, it said that from the North Crater to that, the lava flow was 3 miles.
So now we're at another spatter cone.
Oh, somebody's hat.
Somebody lost their hat, actually several hats, cell phone, all kinds of stuff down
Come back
in there.
next week
No way,
as
there's
we
a
find
cell
ourselves
phone
in a
down
ghost
there?
town on our way down to Twin Falls, Idaho.
Man, I need to get my iPhone again.
All right, here's our camp setup. Pretty cool little place here. You can see it's right in the middle of all the lava rocks and stuff. Got our Starlink set up here so we can get internet because there is no cell service out here. I got my solar panels set out so that I have plenty of power because there is no water, power, nothing here because we're here in the off season. But works for me. It's beautiful.